IBM is hiring for some new roles only for freshers. And more importantly, open this hiring only for Indians. Here, only 1 year experience is required. And if you have more than that, then they won't hire you for this role. There are options for remote jobs, but remote jobs require a lot of experience. Also, non-technical jobs, which have nothing to do with coding, are also hiring here. Not only science and engine background, but financial like BBA is ironed here. Also, any bachelor degree, if you have completed, then you are in back-end office. If we talk about IBM, then IBM is one of the biggest companies in the world. It is another product-based company. So if you have worked with IBM, then many benefits. I have only one request to you. PLS. Subscribe my channel. It makes me an Aladdin motivated because 98% people don't subscribe if they like my video a little, please.